good Monday morning to you, or Monday afternoon, as the case may be. It's time to talk technology with our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, back from a big vacation to Japan. Luis, welcome home.
Konnichiwa, my friend. That's how we say hello in Japan.
Are you fluent in Japanese now?
No.
Okay.
I am fluent in using my Google Translate app to help me navigate the streets of Japan. But yeah, it was a great trip, and I just can't say enough about the experience.
You were really focused on the technology that they have in Japan that just makes everyday tasks so much easier for people. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Japan has always been a technocentric society.
Absolutely. And it started the first day when we were at the hotel, and I went down to the gym to work out. And on my way there, I ran into a robot that was delivering towels to some room. And later I talked to the people at the hotel, and they said, oh, yeah, they had several dozen robots whose job it was to deliver in-room dining or towels or any requests that guests have. And throughout my trip, I saw robots at hotels, restaurants, even on the street. They are using robots extensively, and they kind of take it for granted that they're there. And then, of course, I had an opportunity to ride on the world famous bullet train, 200 miles an hour of amazing fun, getting us from Kyoto to Tokyo in a little under 2 hours. It was an amazing trip, and just, I marvel at the technology that they use.
Maybe we should have hired the Japanese to build the bullet train in California.
Yeah, it's funny. The state of Maryland is thinking about doing that very same thing, to build a bullet train from Baltimore to D.C. and Baltimore to New York City. So it may happen in our lifetime.
Maybe. Well, there are a lot of interesting things. We've only got a few seconds left here, but tell me about one of the most interesting things that you found about traveling about in Japan.
Well, I think the ubiquity of the Toto washlet toilet is something that surprised me. It was everywhere, including the train and even the smallest restaurant that we went to. They had these toilets that had a warming seat and bidet and washlet, and they just can't live without them.
That reminds me, years ago on the All in the Family TV show, Archie Bunker had an idea for a warmed toilet seat. He called it the Bunker Bun Warmer.
Well, he had a great idea.
There you have it. Reality is only 50 years behind primetime TV. Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today on Power Talk Radio. Online, alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the X handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.